the 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this two-door truck excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.